Hi, this is a last-minute video. I'm doing this about the Conrad Murray jury deliberation. I want to mention that with criminal trials, it is beyond a reasonable doubt, meaning 99%, instead of a civil trial, which is 51% or a preponderance of evidence. Therefore, it is easier to convict someone in a civil court than it is to convict someone in a criminal court. Hence why O.J. Simpson won his criminal case and lost his civil case. Also, what happens is when the jury deliberates, they are given questions, jury questions, and they are allowed to ask the attorneys who have to stand by. They're allowed to ask the attorneys questions. However, considering that the jury has already had a full day and they're still deliberating, means they might have some confusion over the questions, because since it's a 99% beyond a reasonable doubt in a criminal case, as this is with Conrad Murray, they have to make sure that they are making a proper conviction. And I am not taking any sides with this. I am just giving my knowledge as a paralegal and a law student. So what I want to say is, anyone who is confused, you could look up on Nolo Press, LexisNexis, Westlaw, Pacer. They would have the rules, and sometimes a jury deliberation can take 20 minutes, sometimes it can take a week. It can also result in a hung trial, a mistrial, and it has to be a unanimous verdict, meaning all of the jurors reach the conclusion together. They do have the opportunity to ask the lawyers questions about the jury instructions, and then they all have to agree on the questions and the answers together. And if Murray does win and he's not convicted, he could still be sued in civil court and be found guilty, because, as I said, in a civil court it's easier to convict because it's 51% or beyond a preponderance of evidence, as opposed to criminal 99%, which is criminal and beyond a reasonable doubt. And also, in all criminal cases, it's the people, also known as the prosecution in some cases, versus the defendant. And in a civil case, it would be a separate lawyer. It wouldn't be a DA, as it is in criminal cases. It's not the state. It would be like, let's say, the Jackson family versus Conrad Murray. And any other questions? Feel free to leave a comment. And I'm not taking any sides. I am a Michael Jackson fan, and since I do work as a paralegal and an actor, I do not want to take any sides, and I am just trying to give some information based on my legal knowledge to anyone who has questions. So, God bless all of you, have a great day, and may justice prevail. Take care.